with Emily Sutton.
Good morning, Oklahoma. We made it to Friday. That is the fantastic news. Now the bad news. It's very cold. I'm sure you heard the winds howling. That happened at around 8:30 that the Arctic front pushed into the metro and boom, the winds picked up. Winds will be decreasing today, but we'll keep the cold around. And of course, we're eyeing early next week with the potential of freezing rain. And that's what I want to start with. I know a lot of people are going to be talking about this. Here is the latest. Yes, there could be freezing rain. We are expecting it Sunday night into early Monday morning. But it's a challenging forecast, as ice always is, but especially challenging because it will transition over to plain old rain, which will really help stop any issues as we climb above freezing, and that would be Monday afternoon. So the problem is cold ground temperatures. The Arctic air is back, and we're going to be very cold throughout the weekend. So that's setting the stage for these super cooled water droplets that freeze on contact, also known as freezing rain, moving in Sunday evening through Monday morning. That will create some slick spots in the state. The metro's right on the fringe, but the trend has been going up as the temperature trend has been going down ever so slightly. I will say, though, the data is not locked in, so please stay tuned throughout the day today and throughout your weekend for the latest. A look outside. Camera's shaking a little bit. It's still windy, 13 degrees. It is dry out, but winds out of the north at 23, gusts to 32 miles per hour. It's making it feel like 6 below zero for Oklahoma City right now. We have a wind chill advisory that remains in effect. Some high level clouds streaming through. Should make for a nice sunrise. Well, plenty of sunshine today, but it will not feel nice like it did yesterday. Here's that pocket of cold air, another surge of Arctic air, polar vortex over the Great Lakes. Here's our next storm system on water vapor imagery. This will be heading our way as it gets closer to land. Hopefully then the models will have a better depiction of ice. But like I said, it's one of the most challenging things to forecast with one of the greatest impacts. A small little temperature change can make a world of a difference. Speaking of temperature change, down to 20 below in Canada. That's actually nothing compared to what we had earlier in the week. So yes, very cold, but this is not as cold as what we've already been through earlier this week. Down to 12 for Guthrie, 12 for Moore, 12 for Shawnee, and we're down to 9 now for Ponca City for our actual temperatures. Wind chill advisory until 11 o'clock this morning, where it could feel like 10 below zero. Current wind chills 6 below zero for Oklahoma City, feeling like 9 below zero for Ponca City and 3 below zero for Woodward. Winds still very strong out of the north at 25, gusts to 40 miles per hour. I've seen it as high as almost 50 miles per hour still in southwestern Oklahoma. Central Oklahoma, gusts around 30 or 35 miles per hour. Here's the deal. Winds will be strongest this morning, gradually decreasing later this afternoon, still giving us wind chills in the single digits and teens. By tomorrow morning, lighter winds that will allow for our actual temperatures to really plummet, so make sure to drip your faucets again. A look at our future track for the timing of our next system. Moving in Sunday evening, light ice through Monday morning. That is our window of opportunity. Looks like Sunday night through Monday morning. Not sure yet as to when it switches over to rain, likely late morning or at the latest early afternoon. Slides off to the east by early Tuesday morning. Then we'll have another little batch late Tuesday, but our next main round moves in late Wednesday through Thursday morning as just rain. Look at our future rainfall totals. This is the silver lining. Some awesome moisture, especially for one of our driest months. 1 to 2 inches of rain trending highest to the east, about an inch for Oklahoma City, less as you travel west. All right, take a look at these two models. This is just one computer model. The purple represents the higher ice totals, the pink lighter ice totals. This one compared to this one, this is not good. The latest Euro model run is really upping the amount of ice. Do I trust this yet? No, it's still a ways out, but we need to prepare for possibly some significant ice Sunday night into early Monday before it transitions over. So I do think there'll be slick spots. We're just not sure about the totals yet. 25 for Oklahoma City, wind chills in the single digits and teens. Tonight, 11 degrees, a wind chill near zero. Maybe the cute penguin will make it better. Tomorrow, sunshine, 27 degrees, lighter winds. Here's our 7-day forecast. So temperatures very cold, barely above freezing on Sunday, tracking that ice, switching to rain on Monday. The red triangle means heads up. We're tracking it. Could have big impacts there. Rain into early Thursday, and then hopefully climbing to near 60. That sounds amazing.
Well, that would be something else.
We should get through a lot before
We got a lot to get through.
There's light at the end of the
Right.
tunnel.
I don't know if the penguin's helping or not.
Trying.
You're trying. All right, thank you.